For nearly 10 years, the world searched for the most wanted man in modern history. He disappeared after planning the deadliest terrorist attack the United States had ever experienced. His name was Osama bin Laden, and his shadow stretched across the globe. Osama bin Laden was the founder of Al-Qaeda, the terrorist organization responsible for the September 11th attacks. On that morning, nearly 3,000 innocent people were killed, changing global history forever. In response, the United States launched the largest manhunt the world had ever seen. Billions of dollars were spent. Thousands of intelligence officers and soldiers were deployed. Yet bin Laden vanished without leaving a trace. For years, he avoided all modern technology. No phone calls, no internet, no digital footprint. Many believed he was hiding in remote mountains, while others believed he was already dead. But U.S. intelligence agencies never stopped searching. The breakthrough came through an unexpected source, a trusted courier. By quietly tracking this man for years, the CIA slowly uncovered a hidden trail. That trail led to a quiet town called Abbottabad in Pakistan. There, analysts noticed a large and unusual compound. It had no phone lines, no internet connection, and extremely high walls. The residents burned that trash instead of throwing it away. Everything about the house suggested that someone very important was hiding inside. Intelligence experts became increasingly confident. They believed that Osama bin Laden was living there, undetected, just miles away from a Pakistani military academy. The evidence was presented to the President of the United States. After months of discussion and planning, a secret military operation was approved. The mission was named Operation Neptune Spear. On May 2, 2011, the operation began. Under the cover of darkness, elite Navy SEALs crossed into Pakistan without informing its government. Stealth helicopters flew low to avoid radar detection. As the helicopters approached the compound, one experienced technical problems and crash-landed inside. Despite this setback, the team continued the mission without hesitation. The soldiers entered the compound and moved room by room with extreme precision. Within minutes, they reached the upper floor of the building. There, they identified Osama bin Laden. During the operation, bin Laden was shot and killed. The entire mission lasted less than 40 minutes. No American soldiers were lost. Bin Laden's body was identified through DNA testing. Soon after, his remains were buried at sea, following Islamic customs. Later that day, President Barack Obama addressed the world. He announced that justice had been done. For many Americans, it was the end of a painful chapter that began on September 11th. The death of Osama bin Laden did not end terrorism, but it marked a defining moment in modern history. A decade-long hunt was finally over. This operation proved how patience, intelligence, and precision can change the course of history.